In this video, I am going to talk about situation when, let's say, you have certain apps installed and you think that they may share your data with someone else. So what option I do have says that I can use that app, but at the same time, I can make sure that my data is not being shared. So in that case, what we can do is we can prohibit that app to access internet. Hi there everyone, welcome to the Mac Essential, where our objective is to elevate your macOS experience. So if you are new to this channel, I would consider you to subscribe to it such that you don't miss topics like this that are going to help you out in elevating your macOS experience. Okay, so now let's come back to the topic and let's see how we can block any app's network access in your Mac. For that, let's go here on the top and hit that Apple logo. Now from here we need to go to settings. Now here we need to look for firewall, and firewall you're gonna get inside your network. So let's click on it. And now here you can see the firewall is currently inactive. So let me click on it and let's turn this on. As you can see now the firewall is turned on. Now let's click here on option, and now all you need to do here is you need to see which connection you would like to block, which connection you would like to allow. Okay, so here you can see there are certain apps that are currently accessing internet, and here we can see all these apps have access to internet. But let's say you would like to block it, then in that case what you can do is instead of allow incoming inspection, you need to select this option which is block incoming inspection. And I would really appreciate the way macOS came up with these settings, because in case of Windows, it really sucks. I mean, you need to go at two places to fix these settings, but Apple really beautifully plays it together in a very small window. Now, let's say you do not see the app that you would like to block. Then in that case, you need to click here on plus. And now from here, you can select the app that you would like to block. Let's say I would like to block Photoshop. I can select Photoshop here, and now I can click here on block incoming connections. Now let's hit OK, and in this way guys, you can block the internet connection for the app that you want. So that's how guys you can block any app accessing your internet connection. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any questions or doubt, feel free to reach to me and comment down below. I will definitely try to respond to that as soon as possible. And make sure you subscribe to the Mac Essential to follow more such tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.